Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to cancel Airbnb and get full refund. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to cancel your Airbnb trip, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first and then go to this trip section at the bottom middle. And after coming into this section, you will get to see the withdraw or cancel button just besides that pending Airbnb. And after tapping into that cancel or withdraw, your Airbnb will successfully get cancelled. Now the interesting question is, will you get your full refund or not? There's a catch in getting the full refund in Airbnb. If you cancel the trip within the 48 hours of booking. Hear me again, if you cancel your trip within 48 hours of booking and the cancellation must occur at least 14 days before the check-in. Then if you keep that in mind and cancel your trip, you will get your full refund back, and if no, then only 50% of your money will be refunded. I hope this video was very informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.